Hey guys, welcome to my Airbnb Short Term Rental page. I just want to tell you a little bit about our upcoming Short Term Rental Bootcamp, where we teach you strategies like Airbnb. My student on the screen behind me is generating $40,000 a month, and I want to show you how to do this, right? So I've got a 3-day bootcamp where I teach you how to find and search for good short-term rental properties that can be put into the Airbnb program. And then I teach you how to pay for them, how to fund them, how to fix them, rehab them, and then how to furnish them, and ultimately how to list them and how to manage that listing on the Airbnb platform for success. And a good Airbnb can generate 3 times or more what a regular rental would in that same neighborhood, right? So a lot of my students, just like Andy on the screen behind me, have transitioned a lot of their regular rentals into short-term rentals, and I want to teach you how to do this too, right? So if you want to learn more, go ahead and click on that link below, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at the Airbnb Short Term Rental Bootcamp.